Welcome back to the channel. Did you know that by 2050, we'll need to feed 9.7 billion people on Earth? That's a big challenge, especially when our current farming methods are a burden on the environment. But here's the good news: farmers, scientists and industrialists worldwide are finding smart ways to grow food while taking care of the environment. In this video, let's see the most important sustainable farming trends today that are changing agriculture globally. Let's dive into a few innovations that are helping farmers grow more food with less impact. Let's start with vertical farming in urban areas. Picture growing lettuce and herbs in tall buildings right in the middle of cities. That's exactly what's happening in places like Singapore and Japan. These indoor farms use 95% less water than traditional farming. They also need much less land, which is great for crowded cities. Moving on to regenerative agriculture. This is about farming in a way that actually helps the soil get better over time. Farmers in places like Australia and Brazil are using cover crops to protect their soil. They're also rotating different crops to keep the soil healthy. A farmer in Brazil showed that after 3 years of these methods, his soil needed 50% less artificial fertilizer. Smart farming technologies are changing the game. Farmers now use sensors to check soil moisture and nutrient levels. Drones fly over fields to spot problems before they get serious. In India, small farmers use phone apps to know exactly when to water their crops. This helps them save water and get better harvests. Let's talk about agroforestry. This means growing trees and crops together. It's working really well in countries like Costa Rica and Kenya. The trees provide shade and help keep moisture in the soil. One Kenyan farmer grows coffee under tall trees and says his yields are 30% higher than before. Aquaponics is another exciting trend. This combines fish farming with growing plants. The fish waste feeds the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. In the US and Europe, more farmers are using this method. A farm in Wisconsin grows 200,000 pounds of fish and vegetables each year this way. Natural pest control is becoming more common. Instead of using chemicals, farmers are using helpful insects to control pests. They're planting flowers that attract these good insects. In California's vineyards, farmers plant roses near grapevines to spot problems early. They also use owls and hawks to control rodents naturally. Water conservation is crucial everywhere. Drip irrigation systems are helping farmers use less water. Israel leads the way in water-saving farming methods. Their techniques are now used in dry areas of Africa and Asia. Some farmers save up to 60% of water using these systems. These sustainable farming methods are more than just trends. These are becoming necessary. What sustainable farming methods have you seen in your area? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for informative content on sustainability.